Welcome to How to Internet. In this video I will explain you how to set up a focus mode in iOS 15. It is very easy, so let's start. First, go to the Settings app on your iPhone and tap the Focus menu button. If you are new with focus modes, you will probably see an introduction screen. Follow those steps. When you have followed those steps, you see this. Here you see a list of different focus modes. To add one, tap the plus button on the right top. Then tap the theme focus mode or create your own focus mode by pressing custom. Type in your name for your new focus mode and give it an icon and a cool color. We create one for shopping, so we can get to the store without getting disrupted. Then choose people that you want to allow to call you while you are in this focus mode. This can be your stylist or your shopping friend, for example. You can also choose for other people of your contacts, your favorites for example. The next step is to choose which apps can give you notifications while in the focus mode. I choose my favorite shopping apps for this mode. And I also want time-sensitive notifications. Those are my calendar reminders, my doorbell notifications, so I never miss those. After setup, press done and you can set up even more settings. On the top you can turn the focus mode on. Here you can set up the contacts and apps which you can disturb while in the focus mode. Then the first option, focus status. Let people in the Messages app know that you have a focus mode turned on, so they know that you are busy and that you don't want to be interrupted. The next option lets you select which apps you want to see on your home screen, so you only see the shopping apps for example and don't get distracted by other apps. Lock screen options let you dim the screen while you are in focus, and the other option lets you hide your notifications on the lock screen. The fourth option lets you change the name and color of the focus mode. And then the last option lets you shadow the focus mode so you don't have to turn it on manually. You can set it up at a time, a location, or when you open an app. Smart Activate lets your iPhone decide based on your habits to turn on your focus modes. On the lock screen you can see which focus mode is activated and you can press it to change it to turn the mode off or on. You can also change the focus mode in the control center. And that's how to set up and use focus mode on iOS 15. Give this video a thumbs up, thanks for watching this tutorial and subscribe for more.